I'm not smoking. I'm not drinking any liquor. I feel free, safe, no worries.
الله أكبر وارتمى قلبي بباب الرحمة الله أكبر.
I'm Silverio Mongaya. I'm from Philippines. That is my old name in Christianity. But from now on, when I convert as an Islam just 3 weeks ago, my new name is Abdullah. I joined in Islam because I just searching myself where I am belong. Before, I'm not satisfied for my belief, but from now, there is a big changes from my mind. I belong to that Umrah this coming January 18. So I'm happy that being a new learner for this religion and the one
فوجدت
selected to
في
participate.
المحراب أنسي بعد طول الوحشة وغدوت قلبا نابضا يهتز مثل الشعلة